Track 7 forecast.
Good Tuesday afternoon, meteorologist Bree Sullivan. Well, it depends on where you are with whether you'll see the sunshine or not. The further you are to the northwest, the better your chance has been. Cedar Rapids, Iowa City areas off to the south-southeast, they've had the clouds all day and they're going to slowly recede down to the south, so hopefully you get a little more sunshine as that sun sets. Taking you hour by hour throughout the afternoon, temperatures, they are well above where we should be for this time of year by about 10 to 15 degrees. They will be into the middle 50s by this afternoon. Again, more sunshine off to the northwest. Winds not going to be too big of an issue. They are clocking a little bit faster this morning, around 10 to 15, but later on this afternoon, only about 5 to 10. Barely there through the overnight hours. Tomorrow they do pick up just a little bit, about 5 to 15, but they do switch out of the southeasterly direction. Temperatures, however, stay pretty much the same. Taking a look at how this afternoon plays out, clouds are going to start to peel off a little bit off to the southeast as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. As we go into the evening, we'll be into those 40s to near 50 down to the south. Overnight, partly cloudy skies. As we wake up tomorrow, though, we'll see some sunshine. Temperatures in those upper 20s to low 30s. Clouds do fill in during the day, but we do stay dry. Temperatures are going to be pretty similar to what they are today, but keep in mind it is going to be a bit breezier tomorrow. As we go into tomorrow evening, pretty much the same story as this evening. Then as we get into Thursday, most of the day will be spent dry. We will get into those temperatures that are exactly the same. The trend in the 50s continues on Thursday. More cloud cover through the afternoon. Watching our southern and southwestern counties for the rain starting to move in. It could be late afternoon. This model holds it off until well after that sun sets, closer to around midnight before this swath of rain is going to move in from the southwest. It will spread off to the northeast as we get into Friday, and then it will exit by the time we get to Friday evening. So just keep in mind we are going to have a wet end to this week, but boy, could we use it. Now, it does look like the heavier totals would be down to the south, a half inch, 3/4 of an inch possible. Lighter totals as you travel up to the north. Now, if you've got next week on your brain, spring break, temperature outlooks, looks like we have a better chance of being warmer than normal. No surprise there considering how things have gone so far. But it also does look like we have a chance of being a little bit more on the wet side, which, you know, it's hard because you don't want it on spring break, but you also really do want it in those fields. So give or take. Today, we'll see those clouds push off to the southeast, sunshine especially off to the northwest. Temperatures hold their own in the 50s this afternoon with that relatively light wind. Pretty much no wind overnight tonight as we have those partly cloudy skies and those temperatures still a little bit above average in those upper 20s to low 30s. Temperatures remain pretty uniform throughout the next couple of days. Most of Thursday should be dry. The best chance of seeing some rain in the afternoon would be for our southern counties. However, the likeliness is it's going to be through the late evening overnight hours that rain starts to push on in. Notice temperatures do drop as we go from Thursday to Friday. They stay on the cool side Saturday, but as we flip that clock forward for Sunday, we also flip those temperatures up into the 50s, 60s by next week.